Osteoarthritis is among the most common of joint disorder and is characterized by joint pain and, after rest or inactivity, stiffness for a short period of time. Due to wear and tear of the joint, this animation demonstrates the progression of the condition through 4 stages. In a healthy joint, a coating of tough but smooth and slippery tissue, called cartilage, covers the surface of the bones and helps the bones to move freely against each other. Grade 1 refers to partial damage of the joint cartilage. Grade 2 refers to more severe damage to the cartilage and the development of minor bone spurs around the joint. Grade 3 refers to large bone spurs and more extensive damage to the cartilage. Grade 4 is the most severe stage of the osteoarthritis and is associated with large bone spurs and damage